When you're feeling wired but also completely tired, this is a great breath for you to help balance out your systems. Nadi Shodhana, this is your alternate nostril breathing pattern. So find a comfortable seated position, relax the shoulders away from your ears. We're closing the right nostril and inhaling through our left. Deep breath in. Close your left nostril and exhale through your right. Inhale right. Close your right and exhale left. Inhale left. Close your left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close your right, exhale left. Inhale left. Close left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close right, exhale left. Inhale left. Close left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close right, exhale left. Inhale left. Close left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close right, exhale left. Last round, inhale left. Close left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close right and exhale left. Breathe naturally through both nostrils. Take a moment to observe your system. See how you're feeling, how your mind is, how your body is. Take your time to repeat as many times as is needed to help balance yourself out. Enjoy.